Sir, my name is Nikes Oriana from Black Creative. So my topic is traffic sign. Sign. What is traffic sign? Traffic sign is like traffic signal lights and road markings are used to convey quickly and accurately the wide range of information needed by the road users, particularly vehicle drivers, and to promote the safe, efficient use of the road system. So kita ko no, na driver asa ibaw kita dapat mahibaw kita na traffic sign dapat mahibaw kita kung ano as information needed by a road user kung ano naman driver. And then the traffic sign refer to any device mounted to portable support whereby a message is conveyed. So sa traffic sign they are installed to serve the following guidance traffic. So may mga functions sabi ni. First, to control traffic. So, kung na traffic sign, dili kita basta-basta makakuan. So, magbanggaan. And then, to safeguard the flow of traffic. And then, to expedite traffic. Expedite means mapadali. And fourth, to guide traffic and motorists. So, sa traffic sign, magamit ini siya. Medyo mapadali and makaguide ang mga motorist. Kay kung warain yung traffic sign or traffic lights, no, dili siya basta-basta. So, ang mga motorist or mga bangkaan. Then, traffic shall be shelled only the public authority or by the official having jurisdiction for that purpose shall not bear any commercial advertisement. Oh. Throughout knowledge of traffic signs, signals and road and pavement markings is necessary to all drivers. Every motorist must be able to recognize and obey them without hesitation, even with the absence of traffic police. So, nga ko no, kita ko no na kan road user, dapat kinahanglan ta mo sunod gihapon. Without the dapat without hesitation. And then, usunod kita bisan sa pakuha ko ng mga traffic police officer. And then, letter A, historical background. In Britain, early signposts were erected by private individuals at their own expense. In 1648, parishes were required by a law to place guideposts to road cross. So, kuno, in 1848, ang parishes kuno, or mga taas-taasan, nag-require sila sa law, by the law, na magamit sila ng mga signs on the mga kanto or mga crossroads. But in 1873, these mileposts were required to be erected. So, dapat mapatayo na required ilang sa 1648 gi-required na. Then in 773 is dapat mapatukod na kaya gi-required na siya and maintained to turnpike siya. So turnpike is dapat mga malig-on na gate. Yan na. And then the Motor Car Act of 1903 made by the Rehoboth sign. So, nakita ka rin sa iyo kung ano siya na mga sign. And then, the heights of road sign vary, can be adjusted to avoid sign obstruction, intersection, or rectangular traffic sign. The size, dimension, height, and width also vary depending on the legend of letters, words to be placed, and depending on the location on the road or traffic signs. With increased international travel after World War II, discussion took place the United Nations or UN on the introduction of international traffic sign. So kuno nag-start na kuno after ng World War II, gidiscuss na introduce na nila kung ano ang sa panggawas or pangkaan international traffic sign. However, it was not until 1965 that United Kingdom or UK signs were changed to conform to the European system. So, nabaylo na isa pag-abot ng 1965. And then, in 1995, it was estimated that there were 2,500,000 signs and signals and 850,000 road markings. So, na 1995 ko no, i-estimate nila kung pilaan butang. And 7 million road stones on the roads in England alone. So, ngadto ko no, mas midamo ko no. On the other hand, the United States or US, nag-adapt na sila ng sign na sa 1970s. Ang nakadevelop na sila ng set of national standard for high color, shape, and usage. And on June 6, 1973, the Philippines through PD 207 nag-declare na sab ng part ng law ang Philippines in the UN Vienna Convention na ang road traffic signs, markings, and signals participating in other country and countries to this convention have agreed to accept the system of traffic, road signs, signals, as symbol, and road markings describe the said convention and to adapt the same to facilitate international road traffic and to increase road safety. So, kano sa ng road safety. B. International traffic sign. So, na basa na sa nato na gikan UN nahimo sa UK. And then, na-change na sabi siya, iabot sa US. And then, matoya, UN Vienna Convention na i-adapt nila, i-facilitate, tapos, na-increase sa nila road safety. Naman damon mga traffic sign. And as explained in the Vienna Convention, the system of signs and signals which it has prescribed is based on the use of shapes and color characteristic of each class of signs, and whenever possible on the use of graphic symbols rather than inscription, with few exceptions, one of which is the stop sign of the United States. It has been adopted very likely because it is understood particularly by very motorists regardless of nationalities. These basic sign shapes are: first is round and red sign, regulates the movement of turning and passing traffic regulation. Second, round black yellow sign, a warning that you are approaching a railroad crossing. 3. Equilateral triangle red signs, a sign at the intersection directing drivers to yield the right of way to vehicles in the road being crossed. 4. Eight-sided octagonal red and white stop sign, the most popular and understood by all tongues and color. And 5. Triangle red and black sign, or approaching a danger zone, hill, slope, winding road, and others. So, ang sa international traffic sign, makunuyot kung gipang improve nila na mga basic sign shape na medyo gi-improve nila by the adoption of international. And classification of internal traffic sign is classified into 3 as provided by the Chapter 2, Article 5, Para 1, UN Convention on Road Signs.